because we're kind of all doing this together.
Taking to social media
And
to
now,
celebrate
because
student
we don't get to say it
achievement.
anymore, we're honoring all of the students who earned respect.
School may be closed due to the COVID-19 shutdown, but that's not stopping Red Cedar Elementary School from holding a planned assembly for students. The school set up an iPad and broadcasted the event to families this morning using Facebook Live.
Every quarter we have these awards assemblies and parents come in and they love to be there and they love to see their children, smile at them, wave to them, say good job. And today was the day. It was scheduled. It's right there in the agenda book, so why not have it? It's a lot quicker this way, but unfortunately we don't get to see all of our parents, but they did get to see us, so that's something.
Respect with honors.
During the ceremony, parents were posting comments as the principal recognized students for perfect attendance and also read the names of kids
Anthony Mejia Escoval.
that show good character traits.
It's a time when we celebrate students who have exhibited the attributes of respect, which is our character program here at Red Cedar.
The Respect Assembly videos are on Red Cedar's Facebook page. They have been viewed by hundreds of students and families. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
And please show respect. Bye.